Hello everybody, myself Sumit Jawar. I am a businessman, entrepreneur situated in Guwahati. Why I joined this? Due to its name itself, NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. The thing it's connected me with the neuro and all. I want to search and I want to know what neuro can do to us because it's not a common thing. And what I came to know here, first of all, I would like to thank Rahulji and Sarojji making me to attend this program and would really honored to be taught by Vinay sir and Preetham sir. Unleash the power within because the most important thing in the world is the power. And when you get this power and also you can and is the only thing you can use on yourself because when you use the power to control yourself, train yourself, to manage yourself, it is the best thing in the world. You get it to know how you can make the positive changes in the world around, since you can treat the problems in the society near you from a simple headache to a big problem which they are carrying for the years and decades. It is the difference when you can know how to contact with the persons near you. It maybe it's the business, maybe it's your family. You can change the children through their affirmations. You can change with your talking language and all. It is totally out of the world thing and you should learn it and you should know it. You should know because it's the another thing which nobody is going to teach you and it's you only which can make you to understand this. And this is a very good program done by Vinay sir and Preetham sir, and I'm really feeling blessed to know this because I have seen the new dimension of the life. Thank you all.